Someone commented on one of my videos and asked me, how do you actually change your frequency? And I love this question because this is where so many people get stuck. They've heard things like raise your vibration, and they kind of think they're supposed to go from overwhelmed straight to happy. And I'm sorry, but that's just not how it works. You can't jump frequencies, you have to climb them. Think about it like this. If you're feeling really low, sad, anxious, overwhelmed, your nervous system is not going to just accept joy right away. It doesn't feel safe. Quite frankly, it doesn't feel real. So instead of jumping, you shift gently, one step at a time. Step one is the most important part people skip. You have to sit down and notice how you feel without trying to fix it. Just observe it. Okay, I feel anxious right now. Or okay, I feel off today. No judgment, no resistance. Because resistance actually keeps you stuck in that frequency that you don't want. Then you ask yourself one simple question. What would feel just a little better than this? Not perfect, not amazing, just a little bit better. If you're in sadness, anger might feel better. If you're stuck in anger, channeling that into action might feel better. If you're stuck in that blah feeling, maybe you go for a walk, you change your environment somehow, or simply shift your focus. This is where your power actually is. It's in the small shifts, because every time you choose a slightly better feeling, that's you changing your state. And when you change your state, you can change your decisions. And when you change your decisions, you can change your life. Remember, how you think is how you feel. And how you think and feel is exactly what you end up getting. Period. End of story. So, if you don't feel great, start here. First of all, be okay with it. Notice it. Then choose something just a little bit better. That's how you change your frequency. And that is how you master your state. If this helps shift your state even a little, there's another video right here that will take you deeper. And if you're working on mastering your mindset, your energy, your life, I'd love to have you here. So make sure you subscribe. How you think is how you feel, and how you think and feel is exactly what you get. So master your state, and what you seek will follow.